What's up guys, we're back with another one. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create AI static images using Claude and the new Nano Pro. This is going to 10x your results on meta ads as you can test so many iterations, so many angles, so many pain points, all under 1 minute every single time. I'm going to dive into my computer here and show you exactly how you can replicate this. It is super simple and easy, but not a lot of people in the space are doing it. So if you get ahead and start doing this today, you're going to be way ahead of everybody else. So let me show how you can do this. Okay, so I'm going to explain this in 4 very simple steps. How to create AI static images for your SMMA, and this can be either for B2B, for you getting clients, or it could be actually for your service that you're providing for your clients themselves. We do this for both. For our clients, it's definitely a lot easier. We used to have a graphic designer like 4 years ago that would help us create images on Canva for our clients. Nowadays, all we do is use AI for our clients, and changing creatives and doing refreshes takes under 20 minutes every single time. And that's why we only have 5 media buyers for over 110 active clients, because the process is so efficient and so easy. So yeah, we're going to be utilizing Claude and Nano Pro. As you can see on my screen, I have some example images of what's been created with this tool. The first 2 images are some that we've ran ourselves, and these have actually performed very, very well. You can see them on the meta ads library. I've been testing a ton of versions, trying to really show off our brand and our offer within the ads themselves. A couple competitors and Charlie Morgan as well. All of these are being made with AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Very, very simple. And the reason why it's so important in 2025, 2026 is because of the new Facebook Andromeda update. So as of October 2025, Facebook wants you to provide as many creative assets as possible, from videos to images to different characters and different angles. So this is a massive bottleneck for most people, as traditionally it takes up to a couple hours to just develop a new high quality static image ads, or obviously create new video ads, and you have no idea what's winning. You're just constantly testing, and it takes so many hours to develop. Now, if you look around at anybody successful in the space, for example, Charlie Morgan, which I just shared, you're going to see on their meta ads library multiple different creative types. You're going to see images, videos, UGC creators doing the videos for them, different angles and pain points. Everybody is doing this in the space, including us. We have so many different iterations of ads going out because that's what Facebook wants. They want as many as possible so they can just shoot out the ads and show them to people that they think will be most likely to convert from that ad type. So this is why you need to do this, and I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it as simple as possible. I'll dive right in here. Step 1, this is the most important part. You need to build a knowledge base for your business. So you need to utilize either Claude projects, chat GPTs, custom GPTs, or any other softwares related to build project knowledge on your business. So you're gonna give it PDF documents or SOPs that you have built out that talk about what your offer is, who your ICP is, what your branding, colors, and logos are, how you talk and your copywriting for your business, and what goals you have with your advertising. So this is something I did even a couple of years ago with a custom GPT on chat GPT, where we SOP'd our entire agency and put all of those documents, all those SOP documents into a custom GPT, into Google Drive, so we can make everything just customized towards our business. It is literally like an AI powered brain behind the business. I use this for training. I use this for ideation, for new ads and creation. Like, I literally get our employees to ask questions to this AI powered brain, and it's probably gonna have the exact same answers I have, which saves me time. And this is something so important to do. Have all your SOPs in a Google Drive like we do. As you can see in this image, we have one folder for our ad specialist, one folder for admin, ISA, sales. Literally organize everything into a Google Drive into separate documents and make sure your entire business is laid out there. I have another software I use, it's called Joomla, but essentially it's gonna be the same as like a ChatGPT, custom GPT, or Claude project, where essentially I give it a prompt of the info of what my goal is, and then I connect data sources. So you can see here, I have 4 data sources. This is all just from our Google Drive, but this is so important. And if you want to figure out your exact brand voice and how to build this out for yourself, I put a prompt in the description of this video, so check that out, because again, this is definitely one of the most important parts, is building the project knowledge base to go forward with the ad creation. Okay, step 2, you're gonna utilize Claude to make the JSON prompts for the images. So again, we want to use Claude. Don't use anything else. Use Claude. It is the best at coding. And the reason we need coding is for JSON prompt. If you haven't dove into AI or automation, that might be a little bit confusing at first, but essentially JSON prompt is like what you see in this image here. It's basically a prompt where everything is just laid out very organized and specific within the prompt. So this way it's super easy to make small iterations on the images instead of using broader prompts of just text-based through ChatGPT or even Claude, where every iteration is going to be massive because it doesn't know exactly what to change within the prompt. So what I recommend to you guys is I recommend feeding these Claude, the proven winning ads that you find off the meta ads library, any ones that are running longer than 30 days. You could utilize paid ad tools or even use previous winning ads that you have ran before, static or video. In this way, you're just testing off of what's already working. You're not just coming and reinventing the wheel. You know exactly what's working and you're making cool images to go along with that angle or winning pain point. Now, if you're just starting, you don't have any winning ads or angles, you can go ahead and just play around with it and test. Again, it's only going to take under a minute, so it really doesn't take you any much time to start testing new things, but if you do have winning ads, it's always going to be 10 times better. So that's step 2. I don't need to go on my screen and share you. It's very simple. Go onto Claude and make sure you have pro version, put in an image and tell Claude to generate a prompt, a JSON prompt for that image, and it's going to break the entire image down into a prompt. And then that way, now you can utilize it and be like, hey, I like this image style, make me a JSON prompt to this image, and now use this new winning angle that is for my business, but turn it into the same style as the other image. And now it's going to adjust the prompt so it's actually more customized towards you, uses your brand, your colors, and your voice on the winning style of ad. And this is how you replicate a winning ad into your own, and it looks completely separate. You're not going to get copying allegations because you're just utilizing the same style, but it's all your brand voice and offer on that ad. Now, step 3, utilize Nano Banana Pro, which is Gemini 3, Google's LLM, to create the actual images. Now, don't use ChatGPT, don't use Midjourney or Canva AI. They're all decent, but Nano Banana Pro, the newest model that just came out here in November, is easily the best image generation model possible. I have tested all of them rigorously, and this is easily the best, and it's the most realistic, and the text on it is really, really good. All you have to do is go onto Google Gemini, and you have to tell Nano Banana Pro to generate an image using the JSON prompt that you got from Claude. Once you have that, it's going to generate the image within probably 30 seconds, and now you have to analyze the image, look at it, see if you need to change anything at all. If it's not to your liking, go back to the prompt on Claude, tell it what you didn't like about the image, and now it's going to generate a new JSON prompt that's very similar to the other one with a couple small iterations, and then just keep on repeating this process until you get the image that you like. This is an example image that I created for us. It's been working really, really well, and as you can see, it just looks super clean, it's branded towards us, and it's perfect. Now, the only thing is you're going to have these watermarks with the Nano Banana Pro on the bottom right. I usually just go in Canva and use the magic eraser tool and get rid of the watermark, so that's easy and done with, but I do recommend getting rid of it, or else people that kind of know AI images may see that and it turns them off. Now, as you can see, it's very, very simple. As long as you have the project knowledge base and the context to give Claude and to give the Gemini Pro, Nano Banana Pro image model to generate these images to your liking, it takes no time at all, under a minute, as I say. So now, since you can create A+ images in under 1 minute, you need to constantly test new static images for different pain points, marketing angles, and offers that are related to your ICP. We are testing at least 9 to 10 different image ads every single week because it's such an easy way to test a new angle that you just thought of, instead of going and creating a whole video ad and scripting and setting up your recording studio. You can now test any angle, any offer within a minute by just creating static images using AI. Now, once you find these winning angles and these winning pain points, you can now turn the winning static images into either AI video ads utilizing, again, Gemini's VO3 model, which you can make testimonials, UGC videos, product images, whatever you need to do, just turn it into a static image, into a video. And a lot of people do this as well. We haven't tested a lot of it. Or you can take that winning angle that you found with a new static image ad and actually turn that into a real talking headshot video ad, just using that exact same angle because you already battle tested it and you know it's going to convert. The opportunities are absolutely endless, but again, the biggest advantage of doing all this is you're able to test so fast of new angles and new pain points and then turn it into do video ads like this and keep on going, repeating that process. And now you just have a constant ad creation funnel going. It's not going to take you hours and hours to ideate and script and test new angles. I wanted to make this video very short and simple and right to the point. Go ahead and go try this. Again, I didn't want to share my screen because you should be able to know how to use the LLMs and use the prompts. Get the prompt in my description to build your knowledge bases for your custom GPT or Claude project. And I would definitely appreciate if you guys could like, subscribe, and comment on this video for a free coaching call. So I'm going to be doing this once a month. If you comment on my videos, I'm going to add you to a poll. And at the start of the month, I'm going to spin the wheel and choose a person to hop on a free coaching call with. And then I'll also record this coaching call and use it for content as well. So please subscribe. Appreciate you guys showing support and watching these videos. I have so many more ideas to help scale your agency, make it more efficient, and overall make your life a lot easier. So appreciate the support again, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.